Hello guys, and today I'm going to tell you about Mr. Jelly. And Mr. Jelly, how you see, is a friend of everything. And so now I'm going to tell you about him, and the story has started from when he had woke up from strange noises and said, "Oh no!" and that frightened him. So when he got his dinner, he had twice frightened and more. And when he got out to walk, and every shoe of the leaves made him frightened. And so he going on. And then he had saw a very big place, and there was a man, and who was sitting there, and everything what was as something what was loud, he was frightened about it, and it going on and going on and going on. So now we're going to make a scary stuff. It is for Halloween party, and the link is in the descriptions below. And now we're going to make something spooky. So now we're going to cut it out. So if you had problems to install the parts, you can just cut the legs a bit, and to install and to put the ghost over here, you need to remove the house. Now the ghost and the skeleton. Now we'll install the house, and here it is. Oh, that's a Halloween party. Please give me some music. So bye guys, see you next time.